Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here, a PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic, Kingdom Fungi. Introduction. You can see here in diagram the structure of mushroom. Kingdom Fungi has almost 1,44,000 species, which includes yeast, mold, rust, smust, and mushrooms. Fungi are most widely distributed organism on the earth and are of great medicinal and economical importance. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms. Many fungi are free living in soil and water, and other form a parasitic relation with plants and animals. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. You can see here the logo of Botany channel. Mycology. The scientific study of fungi is called mycology. You can see here in diagram the structure of fungi. Almost all fungi has filamentous structure except the yeast cell. Fungi consist of long thread-like structure which is called hyphae. Hyphae together form a mesh-like structure called mycelium. Fungal cell wall made up of chitin and polysaccharides. The cell wall of fungi have some other components, for example cell membrane, cytoplasm, cell organelles and nuclei. General characteristics of the kingdom fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic, non-vascular, non-motile and heterotrophic organism. They may be unicellular or can be filamentous. They reproduce by using their spores. Fungi exhibit the phenomena of alternation of generation. Fungi lack chlorophyll and cannot perform photosynthesis. They store their food in the form of starch. Biosynthesis of chitin occurs in them. The nuclei are very small in size. The mode of reproduction is sexual and asexual in fungi. Fungi produce hormones which lead to the sexual reproduction. Some fungi are free living and some are parasites depending upon host. Classification of fungi. You can see here the diagram. They base on the mode of nutrition. Saprophytic, the fungi which obtain their food from dead organic matters. For example, Rhizopus, Penicillium, Aspergillus. Classification of fungi based on the mode of nutrition. Parasitic, the fungi which obtain their food from living organism. For example, Puccinia. In parasitic relation, fungi may be developed inside or outside the living organism. Classification of fungi based on the mode of nutrition. Another type is symbiotic. The fungi living on an organism independently and mutually relationship with each other. For example, lichen and mycorrhizal association. In lichen, algae and fungi live together and mutually beneficial to each other, and in mycorrhizal, the root of higher plants and fungi live together and mutually beneficial to each other. Zygomycetes, you can see here in diagram, the spores are formed by the fusion of two different cells. The sexual spores are called as zygospores and asexual spores are called sporangiospores. The hyphae are without the septa. Ascomycetes, they are also called as sac fungi. Sexual reproduction is occurred by conidiospores. Sexual spores are called ascospores. You can see here in diagram. Basidiomycetes, it's a type. In this, sexual reproduction occurs by basidiospores. Asexual reproduction occurs by budding and fermentation. Mushroom are the most common basidiomycetes and example is agaricus. Botany with YouTube is our channel. You can see here the logo of our channel. Try to share our video, share our channel with your other friends and other researcher. Classification of fungi based on mode of nutrition. Another example is deuteromycetes. They are called as imperfect fungi. They do not follow the regular mode of reproduction. They do not reproduce sexually and asexually. For example, their reproduction occur by conidia formation. You can see here in diagram. General method of reproduction in fungi. There are two methods: sexual mode of reproduction and asexual mode of reproduction. There are three types of reproduction in fungi: vegetative, asexual and sexual. Vegetative reproduction, this type of reproduction is done by fragmentation, fusion and budding. Asexual reproduction is a process which is processed by spores called conidia, zoospores and sporangiospores. General method of reproduction in fungi. Sexual reproduction in fungi is take place by formation of ascospores, basidiospores and oospores. You can see here in diagram. Sporangia burst. Spores will disperse with the help of air and fall down on land. Spores grow hyphae and again sporangia appears on hyphae and sporangia have spores and spores will again disperse and life cycle will be again start. Importance of fungi. Fungi are most important and widely spread group of organisms on the planet Earth. They are economically most important organism as they play a vital role in the biosphere. Following are the major important aspects of fungi. For example, recycling. Fungi play a major role in the recycling of dead and decaying organic matters. They are saprophytic fungi. Importance of fungi, for example, they help in the formation of food. Many fungi are used as food, for example, mushroom. Some mushrooms are edibles. Medicines. Fungi play an important role in medical field. There are many fungi used as medicine, for example, in the formation of antibiotics to control disease in humans. For example, penicillin is derived from common fungi Penicillium notatum. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our video, like our channel. If you have any question, you can ask us in comment section. And if you want to share your knowledge, your point of view related to our topic, related to fungi, you can share with us in comment section. Importance of fungi. You can see here in diagram. Industrial importance. Fungi is important in the bakery products. For example, in bread formation, and it help in fermentation process. Negative effect of fungi. You can see here how crop is affected by fungi. The standard temperature for the reproduction and persistence of fungi is 28 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Rust and smust fungi. They are the well-known disease which is caused by fungi, and they will destroy the whole crop. You can see here how strawberry and grapes are affected by fungi disease. Fungi can destroy more than 80% of strawberry plants, and it also attack on tomatoes. You can see here in diagram how potato is affected by fungi. You can see here in diagram humans are also affected by fungi disease. For example, athletes' foods develop ringworm due to the infection of fungi on skin. We should have to take precautions and medical treatment to treat fungi infection. Most common example of fungi are yeast, mold, rust, smust, mushrooms, etc. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Thanks to all of you for visiting our channel. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.